Hello everybody, White Lightning here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get free views on YouTube. So the first thing you want to do is or I guess they're not free views, they're just views on YouTube. So you want to go up here to Google and search Fiverr. You can go over to this Fiverr website. Just wait for it to load. Sorry, my computer is a little bit slow, especially when I'm streaming or recording. Okay, so once you're here, you want to go up here to find services. You want to click on it. See, here's one of the things here, one here. This is also one. And so you pretty much want to go here and you can search monetized YouTube channel. You can look up YouTube views. I spelled views wrong. Alright, whatever. So you look up YouTube views. And then once you get here, you can go to any one of these. See, you can go as low as $5 if you click on this one. Let's wait for it to load. It should tell you about how many fans you're gonna get from the Fiverr. If it will load. Alright, it's loading up now. You can see here, page channel evaluation, 10 keywords, hashtag research, 1 video optimized, title and description optimized, meta tag optimization. So pretty much what this will do is this will help you remake your video pretty much, or not remake it, but it will help you like post your video or fix some stuff to make it more popular. If you want something more like, I don't know, more confirmed, like instead of just getting optimization, if you want something like actual views, then let's see if this one has it. Okay, we'll promote your video to 1,000 audience through Google Ads campaign. So this one could get you 1,000 views for $10. So as you can see, it's as easy as just $5 or $10 and you can start getting views on YouTube. So yeah, that's it for this video. I'll put the link to this website in the description below. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. White Lightning out. Peace.